Ever stared at a lovable error message and felt your productivity plummet? Not anymore. We've all been there. A hiccup in the system can throw a real wrench into your workflow on Lovable. Don't worry. This guy is designed to get you back on track swiftly and smoothly. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: cache and cookies. Think of them as digital clutter. Regularly clearing them can resolve many unexpected behaviors. To do this, navigate to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and choose the option to clear browsing data, ensuring you select cache and cookies. A quick refresh of Lovable after this should do the trick. Next, let's talk about your connection. Is Lovable loading slowly or encountering connection errors? A weak or unstable internet connection is often the cause. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. If Lovable is an application, ensure it has a stable internet connection. In your device's network settings, platform updates are crucial for optimal performance and bug fixes. Always ensure you're using the latest version of Lovable. Check for any pending updates within the platform itself or your respective app store and install them promptly. A simple step can resolve a surprising number of issues. If you've tried these steps and are still facing difficulties, it's time to reach out. Lovable's support team is ready to help. Familiarize yourself with their support channels, whether it's a help center, a contact form, or a community forum. Providing clear details about the error you're experiencing will help them diagnose and resolve your issue much faster. By understanding these common pain points and their solutions, you can now navigate Lovable with confidence, maximizing its functionality and ensuring a truly lovable experience.